थोड़ा चले मैं खुद दूँगा। ठीक है। ठीक बस ठीक। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम। अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। You and I have gotten the same eyes, but we see different. You and I have gotten the same mind, but we speak different. You and I have gotten the same tongue, but I speak different than you. Mr. President, I willing the time to be stopped and have a look what we have done. The Pakistan, which was built on the rules and regulations of Islam, it's been 76 years. I see no Islam, but only the Western culture and laws which are being implemented on this land. Mr. President, our judiciary system was supposed to be an example of Inna Allah ya'murukum bil adli wal ihsan, but today it has become priceless, just like a tissue paper which is being used for purposes and then thrown into the trash. You and I are supposed to be an example of wa'tasimu bihablillahi jami'a, but today we have divided ourselves into different sections and into different castes. You and I were supposed to be an example of antumul a'launa in kuntum mu'minin, but today we are begging and seeking help from other countries for the sake of few dollars. You and I were supposed to be an example of al-mu'min al-qawiyyu khayrun min al-mu'min al-za'if. Today we have lost ourselves and we have considered ourselves as a coward. Mr. President, I willing the time to be stopped and have a look at the best and worst of it. Time. Why do we talk about time every time? When we see the precious blood of Muslims being flowed out from their bodies, when we witness the innocent child were slaughtered in the soil of Syria, when we see the brutalism taking place with the message of Palestine, when we see our mothers and our sisters are being miserably disrespected by the cruel armies of different empires of different time. Mr. President, I think it is the age of wisdom, but it is the age of foolishness. Today we have made ourselves being prohibited to raise our voices against this cruel word. We don't scream because we let others. Mr. President, today we don't fight to have equal right in this world because we are afraid of ourselves to become dead. Today we don't fight. Today we don't try to have to run the strong Muslim empire to rule the world because we are covered, because it is the winter of spirit, it is the epoch of injustice, it is the winter of injustice, it is the season of darkness, it is the worst of time. Yes, Mr. President, it isn't the best of it. Whenever I think about the age we are living in, a dozen of questions arises in my mind. I asking myself, how long we will be sitting calmly and beating the brutalism going on with us? How long we will be seeking to the other country when we know that we have gotten the ability to vanish our enemies? I know Pakistan has been surrounded by different enemies. Sometimes You will see them trying to attack on our religious belief we believe. Sometimes you will see them trying to destroy the unity we have. Sometimes you will see them to killing the innocent children of this country. Sometimes you will see them raising the different movements with different slogans. Injustice, freedom and liberalism. Mr. President, awake them. Bow them down on their knees in front of yourself. Open their eyes and make them enabled to see what we can do. Mr. President, it must be the season of light. It must be the spring of hope. It must be the impact of belief. It must be the age of wisdom. It must be the age of blood for blood. It must be the best of time. Mr. President, awake them. It must be the best of time. Jazakallah.